Mar ODM migos Raila Molo Odinga kawuono ni endine Oyuoro nyasi no endo mar NDC maduondo od bura mar UDP motelne koda Cyrus Jirongo. Odinga mabende koro ne owacho ni sani endi koro gimoro ahinya kod riwruok machalo kamano endo, no owacho ni koro oganda jo Kenya mondo mi obedie wach ni ndie achiel kachiel e yor endo mar tego mano endo Azimio la Umoja. Bende no wacho ni odiochieng' makiny no bedo odiochieng' endo makoro Jubilee bro bedo koda ka NDC margi mar ODM bro timre chieng' ngeso, omiyo koro magi eki gino kenge go eko mag rido achiel kachiel loch maging'iyo mondo giyudi koromo dwe mar aboro. E seche go eko Kalonzo Musyoka, Gideon Moi bende ne nitiere achiel kachiel e chenro machalo kamano endo ka koro gin bende gin jotelo go eko mag Oka.
Great things happen when Kenyans come together. Today, Kenya, like many nations, faces numerous challenges as Hon. Cyrus Jirongo has enumerated. Our economy is not strong enough to care for our people. But remember in 2002, things were just as gloomy, and we came together, and things changed. Today, our youths have no jobs. Our elderly are not adequately taken care of in retirement. Our agriculture is unable to feed our people and to earn us adequate foreign exchange. Teachers in our schools, just like the parents, are feeling squeezed. University academics and non-academic staff, doctors and nurses are all living in duress. There can be no doubt that this country needs a massive investment in sectors like manufacturing, infrastructure, healthcare, and information technology to create wealth and employment for our people. Virtually all Kenyans are caught in daily battles to make ends meet. Virtually all Kenyans are caught in a feeling that however hard they try, they just can't get a breakthrough. There can be no denying that the country needs massive efforts to promote and protect the small-scale businesses from unfair competition, particularly from foreigners. We equally need to address the issue of punitive taxation so that we promote, not punish, investment. We need a fair and transparent tax regime backed by a clean and efficient public service. We need